Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3s squared minus 2s minus 9 ds. This one we change by u. This one with ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, we can do about factorization by s squared. We can do another factorization by negative number 9. So s minus 1, we can do another factorization. Next, this one, that is about identity. So s squared minus 3 squared, we put into s minus number 3 and s plus number 3. Now we have the formula in here. So we have ln ABC equals to ln A plus ln B plus ln C. Now we can apply the formula for this one. So this one, that is about A, B and C. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.